What's up guys, Everything Apple Pro here, and Pokemon Go just received one of its biggest updates yet. It's at version 1.3.0 right now, and in this video I want to show you what's new in that version, namely how to hack it. So I went and created right away a pre-hacked version for you guys to go ahead and install. It literally takes like a minute to 2 minutes max, but you guys will be enjoying the latest Pokemon Go update. And there's a huge update to the actual hack itself, which I'm going to cover with you. So lots of good stuff, very good updates all around. Let's go ahead and get the latest version of Pokemon Go running on our devices. So first off, I just want to say there are a few changes in the actual Pokemon Go update. Namely, if you guys ever go too fast, you're going to get this message right here. Basically, you have to confirm that you are a passenger. I mean, this is somewhat of a liability for Niantic, so they want to make sure that you guys aren't driving and playing. Someone actually died earlier in California doing that. So you guys want to make sure you're careful, and this hack of course will help you guys do that from the comfort of your home. So whatever the reason may be, you guys want to hack Pokemon Go, I'm going to show you how to do it and get so many cool features like location spoofing. You guys will be able to walk wherever you want to get the best Pokemon without ever leaving your house. There's a new feature in the Pokemon Go update, basically inventory. You can go ahead and check out everything you have, all of your Pokemon in here. Really nice little update there. And of course, you guys do have your joystick right here, so you can go ahead and get precise movements there. There's a Pokemon map built in, so you guys can go ahead and check out where Pokemon are nearby you, walk straight to them. There's countdown timers for that. Really great stuff. Just to show you guys that the Pokestops are working, I'm going to go ahead and get up to one. Whoops, I do have that enabled. So let me go ahead and jump up to this guy. And there we go. So we can get all of this loot right here. Awesome. Obviously, I'm not in downtown Portland right now, so definitely a nice perk to have. So as for the actual Pokemon Go update, the nearby feature has been replaced with sightings. So it's a little bit different. It's not as precise, but you guys are gonna be able to see nearby sightings that have been reported. So basically nearby you, you'll be able to know which Pokemon have been there recently. So if you guys do hang out there, these are the ones you're gonna see. Not exactly what it was before, but hey, at least you're not going in blind even without this hack. The battery saver feature is back now and it has been updated. So you guys are gonna be able to get even more playtime out of your Pokemon Go experience, which is awesome. A bug was fixed when you would throw Pokeballs. You wouldn't get the experience depending on which Pokeball you threw. That was fixed. Curveballs have been fixed, so anyone experiencing issues with that, you shouldn't any longer. You guys can actually change your nickname once in the game. So if you don't like it anymore and you want to change it, you can do that now, which is awesome. There are new visuals for the team that you chose and minor text fixes. So that's officially the changelog for the game. As for the hack, the only thing is right here, this IV little feature, basically showing you your Pokemon, and you can go ahead and get, specs on them right away, and you can filter them right here. So good stuff, guys. I do have the elusive Dragonite right there. Awesome. Let's go ahead and show you how to hack it. Before I do that though, just want to show you guys I am running the latest version 0.33.0. As you can see, it is hacked, and many of you guys will be installing this over an older update. So you want to delete Pokemon Go existing application right away. If you don't, this will not work. You have to delete it. So down below in the description, there will be two files for you guys. Of course, Cydia Impactor and the pre-hacked latest version of Pokemon Go. So download those, bring it to your desktop. By the way, if you guys want to do this without a computer, there is a way. I'll put it up there. If you guys want to do this on your Android phone, I'll put a link right there as well, and down below in the description. I do have tutorials on that as well. All right, let's get to it. All right, so let's go ahead and open up Cydia Impactor. Make sure to extract it into a folder. If you're on Windows, right click on Impactor and just select open, not run as administrator. If you're on Mac, of course, it's simple, just right click and select open. And this is what you're going to get. You want to make sure you're on the latest version. So check for update beforehand. I am on the latest version. By the way, this does work on iOS 10, the latest version, beta 4. I did test it out. Works without a problem. So you guys will be good. Now, a lot of people are telling me that they're getting some Android error. Now, that's because you're just clicking start. Of course, it's going to say this feature requires an Android device. The reason you're getting this is because you're not doing it properly. You need to take Pokemon Go, the IPA file, and drag it in. That's the only way you'll get it to work properly, not by clicking start. We never even need to click start. So in here, go ahead and log in with your Apple ID. So the way this works is you guys will be signing this application every 7 days. Every 7 days, the app will stop working. It'll just close out immediately. You need to go back to your computer and repeat this process. It takes like 20-30 seconds. Not a big deal, bit of an inconvenience, but unless you guys want to jailbreak and get it permanent, this is what you have to go through. And it's really not that big of a deal. So go ahead and sign in with your Apple ID and go ahead and select enter. So it will begin to build. You will get this warning, totally cool. Go ahead and select OK. It's just clearing out any existing certificates you may have had. So it won't take long at all. In a minute here, we should have the application on our device. Now, the good thing about this Pokemon Go hack is that it's actually very, very good when it comes to being banned. You guys have a very low chance of that ever happening because they completely removed the teleportation feature, and I'm going to show you guys in a minute how to make it so you guys never get banned. I mean, really, I haven't heard of it happening. If it does, in the past, if you would teleport, you would get shut down for like 4 hours. There would be nothing on the map, but now lately, it's been much better. So in here, we're not gonna be able to open it right away, untrusted developer. So we need to go into settings, and we're gonna scroll to general and device management. So go ahead and select your Apple ID and trust that. So now let's go ahead and open this up. Sometimes you will get this error right here. So go ahead and restart your phone. All right, and after restarting, it opens right up. So I don't know why that is. Once in a while, like it just doesn't catch that you trusted the profile. So just restart your phone and go back into settings and make sure it's still trusted, and you guys will be able to open it without a problem. So I'm gonna allow that, but anyways, if you guys saw, I did trust it and it still didn't let me in for some reason, just restart and you guys will be good. And I can see a lot of people having this issue. So you'll know it worked right away because you'll have the joystick and this menu right here. Good stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign in. Be right back. And just like that, go ahead and trust this notification. First thing you want to do is go into the settings and go ahead and turn on fake location. And you guys might get this error right here while traveling. That's totally okay. Basically, Niantic's new update to ensure that if someone does get into an accident while they're driving, playing this game, it's not their fault. You clicked, I'm a passenger. Anyways, so let me go ahead and explain how some of this stuff works. So we just enabled fake location. It'll extend the menu right here. You'll get a lot more options. Really, there's no point to this hack if you're not going to be faking your location. That's the whole deal. But you can go ahead and change the speed at which you run at right here. I recommend 2 to 4 times. If you're going to be going long distances, 4 times is basically driving. So back in the settings, let's go in here. I would recommend you turn this on. It makes things easier. If you're using the map a lot, like you'll jump into, whoops, wrong one, into the map, and you select where you want to go. Let's say, so downtown, and it'll just dismiss the map right away because you guys might be doing this for a while. It makes things a little bit easier for you. So if you notice there's a Pokestop and you want to walk there, just go ahead and tap on the little guy, and you guys can go ahead and tap on the map right here. And I would recommend 1. And when you get close, you can use the joystick, of course. So let's go ahead and click on it, and just to show you guys this is working. And yeah, it is working, the spin feature. So I got all these goodies right here, and there's some more down here. So I'm going to go ahead and walk down here. So the way that the tap to walk actually works is when you have it enabled, it basically works by the north feature right here. So if your phone is north, this is proper. Wherever you tap, he's going to go. If your map is misaligned right here, it still works by north. So if you click north, he's going to go north. So basically just have this map pointed north at all times, and the tap to walk feature works much better. So we're going to go ahead and just select north up here. And I just want to show you guys that the Pokestops do work perfectly for me. I know some people have issues. I don't know why. For me, I never had a problem with them. So remember that none of the menu or interface options work when you guys have this guy pressed. It's just so other stuff doesn't get in the way. But anyways, which one have I not been to right here? I'm gonna go ahead and spin that and get all of my loot. Awesome, awesome. All right, so let me explain the maps feature to you guys. Let's go ahead and go somewhere a little bit more populated with Pokemon down here, and 4 times, get a little bit more running speed in there. You guys can move the menu around or the map while walking. So as soon as a Pokemon pops up, we're going to be able to see it on the edge right here. It's a really awesome radar feature. So when you go ahead and click on it, it'll take you immediately to that Pokemon so you can catch it. And that's what's awesome about this, is it makes that really easy for you. So if you see more, it'll bring you to that exact point where the Pokemon is, and then it will appear. And you guys can go ahead and battle them. So in this latest version though, the perfect throw for the Pokeball has been removed, just because so many people were having issues with it, and I could see why they would do that. But anyways, it is working perfectly, guys. You guys now have this hack running on your device, and really it's some awesome stuff. You guys can really enjoy the game much more now. No restrictions, especially with how, dumb this whole nearby feature has been lately. This makes it so much easier for you. And I get this question all the time. What are the chances of me getting banned using this method? Very, very slim, thanks to this new update for Pokemon Go hack. So there's soft ban and hard ban. With hard ban, I haven't heard of anyone actually getting permanently banned, so I don't even think that exists for Pokemon Go yet. Soft ban is where every 4 hours you just won't notice anything on the map. After 4 hours, it goes back to normal. Now, the way you get detected is by actually just jumping around. With location spoofing that this current game hack has, it's not so obvious because you can't actually teleport halfway across the world, which is how people actually get detected. So the smartest way to go about location spoofing is just to click the home button and go home once you guys are done fooling around with the map feature. So that way, when you start the game up again, you'll be at your current location and the game won't think anything funny is going on. So just click that button, go home. It's actually a really awesome feature, and that's how you go about using this hack without getting detected. And guys, there it is, the latest version of Pokemon Go 1.3.0 pre-hacked. Now this is an awesome hack, guys. Really props to the person that did make this possible. Thanks so much for watching. I will be keeping you guys updated as this hack progresses, as the actual game progresses. I'm just really happy this is still working, making for a better game experience. Enjoy the hack, guys. Enjoy the update. Peace.